Hey, welcome back. Last lesson we learned how to read and write files. Today we are tackling something every real developer needs to know. Error handling. Here is the problem. When something goes wrong in your program, Python crashes. It just stops. No warning, no recovery, just an ugly error message. But we can fix that. Let's look at the code on screen. See the first block? We are trying to divide 10 by 0. Normally that would crash your program with a zero division error. But we wrapped it in a try except block. The try part says, hey Python, try running this code. The except part says, if something goes wrong, do this instead. So instead of crashing, we get a friendly message. Cannot divide by 0. Now look at the next block. Here we are trying to convert the text ABC into a number. That is not going to work. You cannot turn letters into a number. Python would normally throw a value error. But our except block catches it and prints, that is not a valid number. Now here is where it gets interesting. Look at the try block with else and finally. The else block only runs if nothing went wrong. The finally block always runs, no matter what. Think of finally as cleanup code. It runs whether there was an error or not. Scroll down a bit. Here we are trying to open a file that does not exist. Instead of crashing with a FileNotFoundError, we catch it and print a message. This is huge for real applications. You never want your app to crash just because a file is missing. Now look at the last section. Here we created our own function called divide. Inside it, we check if the second number is 0. If it is, we raise our own error using the raise keyword. See that? You can create your own errors with custom messages. Then we catch it with except value error as E, and print the error message. This is how professional Python code works. You protect your code from things that might go wrong. Your challenge is this. Pause the video. Write a function that asks the user for a number and keeps asking until they enter a valid integer. Hint: use a while loop and try except together. Error handling will save you so many headaches. Trust me on this one. See you in lesson 3.